Hi Sammy fam, today we will be creating a roasted red pepper sauce. I'm going to use on some pasta for later tonight for Sammy Girl and I. We're going to start with our red pepper here. Just slice off the top and discard automatically as it did there. A little eject and pull out these seeds. Discard that. Get some of this, white gunk out of here. Don't want none of that. Well, some is okay. Then I'm going to cut it in half. Split it in twain. Makes it a little bit easier. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this red pepper, both halves, skin side down in the oven towards the heat. And we are going to roast them at about the highest temperature I can muster in there, 550 degrees. This will take about 20 minutes. What you really want to see is nice black spots starting to form on here, the skin separating, some charring happen. And we'll pull them back out when we're done. Alright guys, we have our roasted peppers here, beautiful. And here we have shallot and some garlic already ready to go. Let's prep our shallot. It's going to be some delicious flavor for this. Don't need none of that. I'm just going to use one clove here. Quick peel. Well, I guess 2 cloves. I don't really need to chop it up because here's the next step, guys. For this sauce, super simple. So put the shallot in this cup, as well as this garlic. Our roasted red pepper. Get in there. Put a little dried basil. If you have fresh basil, that's a great addition too. And crack some pepper in here. And then I would add salt, but I think for a little more depth of flavor, since I have soy sauce on hand, I'm going to use soy sauce. Olive oil. Looking good. And one last key ingredient. We're just going to throw in a whole tomato. Alright. Now, know what we're gonna do? We're gonna blend it. Ready to go. Now we're ready to blend this beautiful fresh sauce of fresh tasty ingredients: garlic, shallot, roasted red pepper. We have a tomato, we have basil, olive oil, and soy sauce. It's gonna be delicious. Let's go for it. Looks great. Look how pretty that is. Look at all the different colors in there. Now this sauce, guys, I would suggest making it maybe at least 12 hours ahead of time because everything's going to come together over time. And then when you're going to top your pasta with it, make sure you go ahead, throw this in a pan, heat it up, toss the pasta in it while it's hot. That will really help bind all your flavors together. Let me give it a taste and see how it is. That's delicious. It's so good. That's gonna go perfect on my pepperdelle or pepperdelle. I don't quite know how to say it. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll make a simple fresh sauce like this sometime in your lives, because it is to die for, and it's the simplest thing in the world if you have a blender.